Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. We are making shawarma. I'm making shawarma, guys. I have all the vegetables you can think about here. Sorry about the noise. I have carrots, vegetables. I have all the vegetables, onion, kale, cucumber, cabbage. I have ginger, I have garlic. I want to eat very healthy. I crave for shawarma, so I want to eat a healthy shawarma. Okay? Alright. So I've gone ahead to mix all my mixables. My chicken, my baked chicken, my ketchup, my mayonnaise. I have two different types. I have all my seasonings, Ilola. So we are going to be doing this. I know you know shawarma recipe, right? Delicious. And that's what I want to eat for dinner. How are you all doing? Hope everyone has been doing good. And this was my leftover. My leftover. This tastes incredible. So I'm going to add my leftover here. It tastes incredible. Super, super, super incredible. I'm going to mix everything together. I'll mix it together with my chicken. I like to mix it together with my chicken. This is why I make a lot of chicken, so we can always use it for anything at all. I'm sweating. I don't know, for some reason. And it's a wet day. The rain is still falling. It's been raining since morning, actually. And this is me just coming out. I was just thinking, what do I make for dinner? And yeah, this is it. So I like to heat it up. It tastes so good. This is very good. I like it a little spicy. A little spicy. So I'm going to heat it up for just 60 seconds. It's hot. I've been sweating. Oh man. This is so good. How has your Saturday been, guys? How has it been? How has your Saturday been? I want to eat what I'm craving for. it's ready. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. So, if you're like me and your doctor say don't eat anything too sweet, make sure you try to eat a lot of vegetables. Okay, so this goes in first. For real. I like a lot of chicken in my shawarma. Let me show you what it looks like. So guys, I did another shawarma. I like shawarma a lot. Woo! My shawarma is almost falling out. So I just want to show you guys what my shawarma looks like. Can you see? 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 I'm just gonna cut this. I like a lot of chicken. I didn't put hot dog. Okay? Mm. 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 I have cucumber, onion, carrot. Mm. 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 Nice. Mm. This is so good. Mm. I hope you give it a try. Are you gonna try it? This is so good. Mm. 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 It's so good. Mm. It's on my channel. Go look it up. Ciao.